Hey everyone, Happy New Year. Wishing all of you a healthy, happy, safe, if you're driving, and a prosperous 2026. This is Sergio with the Rideshare Guy. Alright, let's see what's happening. It's about 12:30. Let's see what Lyft and Uber are pulling. This is going to prove to you guys that multi-apping is a must, period. So let's see what's going on Lyft. Lyft is throwing me a measly 10% here and there. Surges started to come on. Nothing really earth-shattering. Stronger in Santa Monica area, beach areas, 30% range. It should get stronger. Here's Uber. No surge. There's some surge up north. I'm in Pasadena, California. But then there is surge is spreading now. Started to kick in on Uber. And that's why you skip Lyft. And here we go to the west side. Stuck at 30. Pretty much all the beach areas. Nice surge. Southern beaches. All the way to Palos Verdes. And I'm going to turn the app on. Let's see what kind of garbage offers I get. There's no surge where I'm at the moment. This also proves how important positioning is. But, yeah. So, let's center ourselves. Turn the apps on in a minute. And Lyft is throwing me this poor network bullshit. 50%. Well, I'd rather take the $30 on Uber. 50% of nothing is 50% of nothing. So let me turn the app on. Let's see what I get on Lyft. Show you guys some examples of what I'm getting. Let's see. There's one. Not a goddamn chance with a 4.4. Passenger. No sir, thank you. We appreciate it. You go away. It says it's busy. Well, it should be. It's 12:30. There's another one. Tapping the X to decline a ride request will help you get the next ride. No, thank you. Let's look at these things. $20 an hour. No. I'll bet you in the back end they're ripping the riders off. For sure. And I'm not interested. Look at this thing. This is getting ridiculous. 41 minutes, 30 miles. 24 miles for $18. This is New Year's Eve, folks. Hope your numbers are better than what I'm experiencing. There's another one. It's about $40 an hour. Dollar a mile. Possible, questionable. Gotta be patient. Gotta wait. Got to wait. So that's Lyft. I mean, it's busy, obviously. But no surge. Look at this garbage. No. No. And no. No. Not gonna do it. So, let me turn... I mean, you guys can see order after order. You know, you gotta wait for your spots. You can't just accept everything. Plus, where it's taking you is the important thing. No, I mean, it's busy, obviously. But no thanks. Let's go to Uber. Let's see what we got on Uber. One more on Lyft. Let's see. It turned my app off. Okay, cool. Thank you, Lyft. So I guess it declined 5 in a row. Lyft goes, screw you, Surge. Right back at you, Lyft. Alright, so Uber Surge is coming on. Drive for Uber, folks. Don't worry about it. It's spreading now, which is the normal thing about 12:30. Burbank. San Fernando Valley is dead. But then, there we go. It's stuck at 30. Look at these. Beautiful. Hope you guys are killing it in Santa Monica on the West Beaches. Look at these 30s stuck at 30. Beautiful. Beautiful. Uber is showing the money. What do we say? Show me the money club. Every Tuesday, Chris and I. 3 p.m. Pacific, 6 p.m. Eastern. And now it's spreading. What a beautiful picture. Beautiful. Look at these 30 stuck at 30. Yep. Should be like this for a couple hours. Hope you're all safe. This is what we want to see. Unlike Grinch. Lyft the Grinch. Nothing. 20%, 30%. Suck it, Lyft. 40% in Hollywood, West Hollywood. 40, 50%. Suck it, Lyft. Not gonna do it. But let's see what kind of offers I get on Uber. I'm not on the west side, so too bad. Too bad, but now Surge is coming my way, so patience. Just a little west of me, Surge is kicking in at 30. Beautiful. Now the whole city is purple. Gotta like it. Everywhere is stuck at 30 at the beaches. I don't know why they limit it, honestly, but then it's okay. Let me turn the app on. Let's see what kind of garbage hot mess I'm gonna get in Pasadena. Should be order after order. There's one, trip radar. 20 minutes, $20. See, it's already $11 surge included. It's because the rider is in the surge area. Good trip. No bueno on this one. Are they gonna show me old trip radar? Nope. No, the first trip radar trip was better. Not doing that one. By the way, it's pouring rain in LA on top of everything else. Pouring rain. Pouring rain. Money should rain. Find me a good one. There's 3 trip radars. 11 included. $1 a minute. You gotta like it. There's another one. $1 a minute. These are all takes. There is another one, almost $1 a minute. Where this is sending me here, right here, where the surge is at 22 and 30, but it's only giving me 11. Nope. We can shove it. Give me a 30. Come on, give me a 30. I'll go pick him up. It's always 11. Look at this. See where the pickup is, guys? Plus, this is going to LAX. Oh, no. It's showing me 30 at the pickup point, but it's giving me 11. Yep, more trip radar. Same place, pickup, all of them. Good trip, $1 a minute. No bueno. Multiple stops. Hell no. Hell no. Look at this thing. Half hour for $10. I hope. Oh, Jesus Christ. This is ridiculous. Oh well. So there we are. These are the offers. Let's see what we got. It'll kick in. Hell no. It's freaking 12:35, man. It's pouring rain. Who's gonna do that trip? Give me a 30. Nope. Nope, nope, nope. Nope. Nope, nope, nope. 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 I'm just gonna keep saying no until I get what I want. You do the same, folks. Not working for free. 26 minutes, $25. There we go. See the pickup right there? Yeah. Good trip. Nope. Nope. What else? Okay, let's see what Lyft is offering. Well, anyway. Yeah, same offers are showing up. These are all good, actually. But they're all giving me 11. And the pickup point is Sergio's 30. Here you go, guys. See? This is the pickup point right there in the middle in Pasadena. Surge is 22 and 30. It's giving me 11. Okay. Be that way. 4.5 surge. Again, pick up Pasadena right there. Nope. Anyway. Let me turn you off. And let's look at Lyft one more time. Nah, it's kicking in 60, 70%. 110% in Santa Monica. Okay. Maybe it'll warm up. That's pouring rain. I would have expected better. For sure. Let's go online. Let's see a few more garbage offers from Lyft. Are you fucking kidding me? Get lost. This is horrendous, man. $7.78 in pouring rain for 21 minutes. No. Lyft is trash. Now this is a good one. And it's taking me to Mid-City. That's a good one. See, you gotta wait. You gotta wait for your shot. $67 an hour. As opposed to $20 an hour. Anyway, folks. You be safe out there. See the difference? You don't accept, you get trash. The last one was a good one. I want to grab a 30 on Uber though. Anyway, I'm gonna turn this on. Look at this, $40. Okay. Nope, I'm not gonna do it. Anyway, you all have a great, safe evening if you're driving. If you're not driving, enjoying the family. My battery is dying too. I gotta put it on a charger. What's going on Uber? Same thing. 30s everywhere. Beautiful. Drive Uber, folks. West Hollywood. Kicking in now. Valley is kicking in too, where I live actually. Nope, not interested in that. Look at these 30s, 29s, 30s. Short $30 trips. Grab it and go. This is the way to do it. Alright, you all have a great evening. Send me your screenshots of your earnings. I think it should be a good evening for most of the country. Sergio at therideshareguy.com, and please don't forget to join us every Tuesday starting New Year's. 3 p.m. Pacific, 6 p.m. Eastern. Show me the money club.